Hello and welcome. My name is David Isamuji. First and foremost, I want to say happy Valentine to everyone watching it on the 14th of February 2021. Yes, you guys have been showing me love, so I love you all. So in this one, we're going to be doing something different, something unique though. It's a simple strategy which you guys might have heard of, but it has not been tested on the US30 and on the 1 minute time frame. So I'm going to be doing that for you guys. You know, my aim is always to backtest trading strategies for you guys, so that you guys don't have to think or guess what the win rate will be. I'll give you that result at the end of the video. My channel is all about backtesting trading strategies, so if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around to the very end, like and share this video, subscribe if you want to. Okay, so for this one, it's simple. We're going to be using the 50 moving average, which you can see our candle, and most importantly the engulfing candle. Yes, that's a price action pattern, the engulfing candle, bearish or bullish. So for this one will break up like this. We expect a retest. There must be a retest, like you can see here. There's a retest on this one, and you can see it followed by a white engulfing bullish candle. So we're going to target a 1 to 3. Yes, we are going to do a 1 to 3%, 1 to 3 win reward ratio. That's what we are aiming for. So this was the first engulfing, so we would have taken our trade here, putting our stop loss just below the last low, which is just here. Okay, and for that one, that would have been our first trade. Okay, that would have been our first trade, and I'm sure we would have won that if we targeted a 3. Okay, if we targeted a 3 just like so, would have won that trade. You can see you don't need to win too many, but once you win, you are good to go. So that was the first trade. We can decide to target another one. This would have been one, but there was no engulfing candle, so we would have left that one and moved on and just wait for a break or break and retest, and we move again. Okay, there was a breakup, no engulfing. There was a breakdown, no engulfing, so we move on. Okay, and now we had a touch here, but you can there are two ways to look at engulfing candles. You can see this is one. So these two, we had two bearish candles, but did they engulf it? No, so you'd have left that out. But yeah, look at this one engulfed this candle, so we would have taken that one for a sell. Okay, we would have taken that one, but if you just wanted to focus on just one candle, this would have been the best bet here. So we would have taken on this candle. Okay, this is for a sell, as you can see. So you can see how easy it is to get this trade in. This one would have given you perfectly 3 already, 1 to 3% already, without wasting much of your time. So you can see how easy this strategy is. You just need to know how to spot engulfing candles when you have the retest, the break and retest. This is a break, touching back on the 50 moving average, you get a retest. Okay, I would have entered here because this two candle engulfed this white candle. You would have entered here or with this one. So I'm going to be taking more trade, and I'll be giving the result at the end of the day. So please make sure you stick around to the very end so that you don't miss out on the result and know if this strategy is going to be good for you on the 1 minute, or maybe later in the week or month. I'm going to test on higher time frame to see which one has the best result. So please make sure you stick around. My name remains David, and I'll see you during the result phase coming up soon. Stay blessed. Hello and welcome back. Here, my name is David Isamuji. If you're joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yeah, so after taking 100 trade using a win reward ratio of 1 to 3, the result is back and it's amazing. I'm going to be showing it on the screen anytime soon for you guys to screenshot and check out for yourself. And if you want to do your own backtest, you can do that. But this was carried out on the 1 minute chart using the US30, and I can tell you for a fact I won 10 trades in a row and lost 3 in a row, putting our win to loss ratio to about 65 in one trade and just about 35 in loss trade. So you can imagine what the win rate would have been. Well, the win rate was 65%. It's going to be showing on the screen anyway, so you'll be seeing it for yourself. And on a 10k account, a $10,000 account, I was able to make a 16,000 profit. That is over 100% using this 50 simple moving average strategy and the engulfing candle. I was able to achieve that. So you can see how easy this is. It's quite easy, but you have to be patient. You don't have to rush trade. There's something about trading, you just have to be patient. So yes, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, please let me know in the comment. Let me know what strategy you want me to test out next, and if you have a strategy you want me to test out, let me know in the comments. Show me the link, I will watch it and test it out. But if you don't have the link, just write it down, try to explain it the best possible way, and I'll try to test it for you guys. I just want to say thanks for watching this one. If you've not liked this video, make sure you like the video. If you've not shared it, make sure you share it. If you've not subscribed, you know what to do. Thanks for watching this. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. Have a lovely Valentine's Day. I love you all.